Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy out of Dolores, Colorado. I'm joined once again by Mr. Judah, and today we're going to be going over cross wrist grab. Now, Mr. Judah, go ahead and face me. Cross wrist grab is what we do when our opponent is grabbing across our body. So same hand, right. Now, what I'm trying to do here as an opponent is I'm trying to pull him in a way to get his back to move into this bear hug here. That's really what I want. And for any of you that have ever dealt with any wrestlers or anything else like that, you'll notice that getting to the back is a big goal of theirs. Now, we're going to be a little sneaky and we're going to combat this with a super simple left foot step. Don't tell anybody my secret. So when I grab Judah here, now again, I've given him a weapon and he wants to keep that. So he's going to pin me first. Now, as I pull, instead of stepping with his right foot, he's going to go ahead and step with his left. Now, what that does is that just shoots my whole plan in the foot. I've got to try and work really hard to get all the way to his back. Now, once he's here, he has my hand pin. He can go ahead and start to circle me up. And right about here is where he's going to re-grab my wrist. And then he's going to start positioning his left elbow against mine to take me down into this armbar. Now, the way that we like to finish this with our orange belts, we like to just finish with a couple of knees to the chest, 2 and 3, very nicely done. Let's go a little bit faster, Mr. Judah. So again, I pull, he moves in, boom, armbar, finishes me up. Now, a couple of things we like to talk about with cross wrist grab is, I get this question all the time. What happens if they're really strong? What happens if they're fighting? Any number of other things. So we have a couple of extensions that we work on with this. This first extension is for Judah to be able to put me on the floor as I give him a little resistance, and he's going to continue to just leverage me, and he's going to just be able to put me on the floor nice and easy. So as I pull here, now as I fight, he just keeps using that leverage until he gets me all the way down on the floor just like that. Now what he's doing, go ahead and go slow a little bit, Judah, so we can talk about it. When I'm here, okay, he's not just pushing down, okay, he's not just pushing me into the floor, he's also extending my body away from my center of mass, and he makes those slight feet adjustments. So he's moving in more of a diagonal motion as he pulls me down. One more time there, Judah. So nice and slow so they can see the detail. Here, there's the armbar. Now as he moves, now anytime I give him a little resistance, if I'm not playing nice, his knee is still available, boom, and then he can lock in a little bit tighter. And anytime you feel like you need to hit him, hit him. I mean, that hand is close, that knee is here. He can check me up with this knee right here to knock me off balance. Okay, he's got any number of other things. And that's our very first extension. Now, the next one is for that pesky guy that's a little good. So this is for that guy that has just enough experience to know how to counter this armbar. So he's gonna pin me, he's gonna go. Now, I know what I'm doing. So right here, I'm gonna step and I'm gonna reverse him, all right? Well, he's in a world of trouble right here. We don't wanna do that. So let's talk about how we avoid that. So what's gonna happen here, okay, is as he goes, boom, gonna put me in. Now, to counter this, I need to get this elbow to pop. That's really important for me if I'm gonna counter. Now, I've done something really nice for him is I've given Judah a nice window right here. And all he's gonna do is slip his hand through there and he's gonna step behind me and he's just gonna put me right, boom, on the floor. Now, we can do that a little bit faster. Let's scooch over here just a little bit, Judah. So that way you can really throw me. So when I'm here, boom, I go, boom, just like so. But let's show them one more time slow so they can see it. So again, I've got him, I pull him. Now, as I counter, again, this step is crucial for you demonstrating this stop. He's gonna slide right through the window. His hand is gonna grab his hand. Now when he brings this up, he wants to bring that elbow right past my face and then step behind me. Now when he's here, he's just gonna keep pressing the shoulder from that Kimura lock. A lot of you jiu-jitsu guys will recognize that Kimura. So make sure you're working that, have a little bit of fun. Mr. Judah, thanks for knocking me around. So that is cross wrist grab. All we do, pin, take our opponent over to the side, and then we work those extensions. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments. If there's anything you'd like to see, let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, until next time, let's give them an asai. Asai!